21. But as the days went on, and still the Shah beheld Salaman, how sunk in Absal, and yet no hand a better effort lifted, but still the crown that shall adorn his head, and still the throne that waited for his foot, trampled from memory by a base desire, of which the soul was still unsatisfied. Then from the sorrow of the Shah fell fire. To gracelessness ungracious he became, and quite to shatter his rebellious lust. Upon Salaman all his will discharged, and lo, Salaman to his mistress turned, but could not reach her, looked and looked again, and palpitated toward her, but in vain. O misery! What to the bankrupt worse than gold he cannot reach, to one athirst than fountain to the eye and lip forbid, are than heaven open to the eyes in hell. Yet when Salaman's anguish was extreme, the door of mercy opened in his face. He saw anew his father's hand outstretched to him to lift him from perdition timidly towards his father's face, his own. He lifted, pardon pleading, crime contest, as the stray bird one day will find her nest. A disciple asked a master, by what token should a father vouch for his reputed son? Saith the master, by the stripling, howsoever late or early, like to the reputed father, growing, whether wise or foolish. Lo, the disregarded down. Darnell. With itself adorns the wheat field, and for all the early season satisfies the farmer's eye. But come once the hour of harvest, and another grain shall answer. Darnell, and no wheat am I. Now, it's not justice to look at our relationship to somebody and excuse them of their crimes accordingly. And we never know what hardship may take us from being grateful, or be how we stop being grateful.